Hi Paloma Valley, my name is Miss Solis. I'm a counselor here at Paloma Valley High School, and today we have our CALSO coach Eric and our college and career technician that are going to give you some important updates for this week. So please keep listening.
Hi seniors, this is Jessica at the College and Career Center. I just want to announce that we will be having one UC visit this week and another one next week. A representative from UC Merced will be here tomorrow, Friday, during first lunch. We will also have a virtual presentation from UC San Diego, which will take place on Monday during first lunch. All students are welcome to attend to any of these presentations, and I also want to remind you that if you're a senior who doesn't have first lunch, you can still stop by and we'll give you a pass. Please check your email and sign up. You don't want to miss this great opportunity.
Hi seniors, my name is Eric Simpson and I'm your CALSO Success Coach here on campus. I just want to let you guys know that next Tuesday, September 14th, we'll be having a FSA ID workshop. So we can come in and help you guys get set with the FSA ID as well as answering any questions that you have about your FAFSA or the California DREAM Act. As well, the next day, Wednesday, September 15th, we're going to be having a Common Application Workshop where you can come in and get help setting up your application.
Thank you students for watching our updates from the College and Career Center. Please be looking out for these short videos with all the updates coming out of college and career. Please check your email for the information that's going to go along with these short videos. And as always, if you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out to us, your counselors, and we are happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.